Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kingsley Vincent, and in this very video I'll be showing you how to design a business card on Canva, and you see how easy it is, guys. It's very easy. So without wasting our time, let's head straight to the point. But before we get there, I'll kindly plead of you to help me and do something, because I know definitely you'll be finding value in this video. We are still trying to grow on YouTube. So all you need to do right now to help me grow on YouTube is to hit on the subscribe button right here, and then like this very video you are watching. Then make a comment in the comment section below saying get designing with Canva, guys. That is it for that. Let's head straight to the main point of the video, which is designing a business card on Canva. So for those of you that don't know, Canva is an online graphic tool that anyone at all, with or without graphic knowledge, can come and make beautiful designs that will be seen very, very soon. So that's what Canva is all about, guys. And Canva is gradually growing beyond the design aspect alone, because they are adding some very interesting feature. So for this very video, we are going to be designing a business card. So for this, I'll just have to click on create design business card. I use this format. Now we have our template ready for design. So I always tell you that if you have watched my video before, I always say that in design, the most important thing is your idea, the idea that you are working on. That is the most important thing already. And I already made some research pertaining the type of design that I want to do. So I already have an idea on the type of design I want. So right now I'm just going straight to give my idea life. And my idea, first I have to start with preparing the background, and the background of my design is black, so I changed my background to black. Good. And then come over here to add some graphics. I need to add some graphic to make it look outstanding. Lines and shape. Then I'll add this very shape, change it to yellow. Good, guys. Then switch over like this at a 90-degree span, then bring down this way, guys. Good. And I have this ready. Then next thing is to add up a line, then take it up, size it to the fullest, size it again, and change the color to this. Yes sir, this is what I want. Yes, so copy and paste to do it same to the base. Yes, and I have this design out. So the next thing I'll be doing is, let me search on the element, let me search on pentagon to see here. So come with this, resize it to fit on with this, then change the color to this. So I'm doing everything live. I'm just doing everything live, so because I want you to see how it goes. Then what I'll have to do next is let me search on logo. Good. Let's say we are doing it for this very logo here. Then keep it like this. This is the company logo. This is the company logo. Then I'll have like the text over here. C E O. Then I type in my name. change the fonts to, I love using Merriweather. Good. And something about font is you have to be consistent with your font when designing. Not you use this very font, open sans on this very part, then you get over here and use a whole separate kind of font. That is whack in design, guys. So make sure you're consistent with your font. It really say a lot of things about your design, you know. So I just have to adjust my good. So this is the frontage of my user. So this is the front side of my design. So guys, this is the front page of my business card, and some of you might be asking, why is it looking this very empty? It's looking like this because it's going to have a back, and the back will be containing like the whole information that will be necessary for the client or the person I'm trying to introduce myself to be carrying the necessary information, guys. So, you know, designing the back, all I have to do right now is add page, and that is it. So coming up, I already have the idea as I told you initially. What I will do right now is to search on cycle, because I want to have it in a circular. I want to have a cycle that will have the whole information that I will be looking for right here. So to achieve that, I will enlarge it this way, then make it like this. Reserve center like this, then change it to yellow because that is our base color over there. Change it to yellow, then come again, C and V, control copy and paste. So this will be yellow, then this will be, I'll change this to sky blue like this. Yeah, good. This is what I want. Then take it like this. This is going to be my background. I'll set my background ready. As you all remembered this very one, I have this here, so I'll copy this logo to paste it right here, to bring it here. Resize my logo, then adjust it, then head over to here, add up and later to write, let's say the name of the company is Almond Group. Resize it to fit in properly, make a quick adjust, then change my font to Merriweather. Remember about being consistent, then bring it down a bit. Good, guys. You now see this is the basic of my business card. What I have to do right now is to add up my other elements, like I'll write I've written Kingsley Vincent CEO, showing this is the CEO card. Then I will get over here to element, search on address, the symbol, the icon for address. Let me see what they have for me. Good. I'll go with this very one. Yep. Then I think it's to resize, then credit here to say, to put in my address, then come to text. I'm gonna go with the little body of cloud base Abuja, Nigeria. Yep. So guys, this is my address. I have it filled, then arrange it properly to go with this. Yeah, so what I have to do right now is to adjust this let me strive for looking too tiny, way tiny. 5 better off than 4, so keep it. Yeah, so that's this for that one. Then next is to have phone number. Search on phone number. Yes sir, I'm gonna go with this and out of this. Yeah, so just resize it to go with yeah, so copy paste. Just writing anything at all. Put your number with your office number as the CEO. So this is that for the CEO. Then what else is necessary? Your email. So email. Yeah, I'll go with this. Yeah, so Ctrl CV. Type in my email address, so it's gonna be Kingsley Vincent at Almond. So guys, you can now see how our business card is looking. Very easy. You see, it's not very difficult to actually design a business card using Canva. It's something that is easy. As I always say in all my videos, first is knowing your concept, and third is starting your design. You see, this is the front and then this is the back, guys. This is the back. And talking about design, this is something that you can actually make money from doing as well, if you want to make money doing it, because when you head over to Fiverr and search on business card, you are going to see business card. Let's say you search on business card, for instance, on Fiverr. You are going to see people offering these very design that just do for a paid service, guys. And if you learn this, it's something that you can also come and offer as well as a paid service. You see what's going on here. This is a very easy, simple business design. Not far from what you saw me design over there. It's not far at all. It's a very concise one, guys. So that is it for designing business card. And then, if you enjoyed this video, please, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and then give me a thumbs up, guys. Give me a thumbs up, guys. So all I do now is to download my design because it's ready in a PNG format. They go through both pages. just click on download and add it in my system, guys. So thank you for being with me in this very video. See you guys in the next video, guys. Peace and love.